Hello guys, we are here and we are going to create one of another slides I created in the past. I like creating a slide, but in the past I create them without a tutorial and just do the work and make you to learn by yourself. But let's see what I created and try to creating it. It's a picture I download from unleash.com. I think it's a free picture, and here is the effect. It's very beautiful for show. Let's see how to create something like this. We have our text here, and let's copy and have our pictures here. Let's try to create this. At first we need create a new picture and paste our pictures. This is the first style, really similar, but we must to create this file. Let's see how we can create something like this. Create a blank space, insert a shape, rectangle. After inserting the shape, let's try to create our text. At first we insert our text. Let's go and see the text box. We create our text box and write A in it. It's the first text we have, and after that we copy our second text and paste them here. Okay, now we have our text. Let's try to designing our shape. First we need to make a inner and let's say some kind of font. It's good, but the best thing I use for kind like this is the impact font. It's amazing in these situations. Let's pull it to top here, make it a little smaller. Okay, it's our A. The A we have. Now we should line these two texts here, bring it here, and then bring this text here. I don't do anything to the text, they are simple, but we can do some modification if we want. We can go here and make it look like this, and in these shapes also globe area, and increase the size, put it here, increase another size, and it's increase the size too. Let's put it here. Okay, now for the effect that you can see this picture is like this. Let's see how to create this. We press Ctrl, the shape and the font, and came here and say combine. Now our shape is ready. Send it to back. Okay, let's see what we do here. We make our text white. Let's make them white. They are white. Our shape is ready, as you can see. Okay, let's make it, copy it, paste here, and we move it here. Okay, our text is ready. Now we need to make our text like this. How we make our shape like this? We format our shape, and in the fill in transparency we make it lower. Now as you can see, it's look like this. Okay, let's copy that. Let me delete that and paste everything here. Now let's copy that and paste it here. Let me delete the past ones, we don't need them anymore. Now give them a morph transition. Now run and enjoy it. It's an amazing transition and a slide for C. You can do a lot of modification. For example, if you want, you can go to line and gradient line, say linear, and choose the color to be black and like this. Let me make this black, another purple here. Now, if you see the transition, let me apply this to this shape too, gradient line. Now see the new transition. These are some great colors for you for seeing better. We are in the way to the 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It makes my heart warm. I need your support. Have a good time. Until then, bye.